found out that overall we have one woman out of 6 who reports some signs of domestic violence.
A new Quebec study done by the University of Sherbrooke east of Montreal shows women facing some form of intimate partner violence in the province has increased. And they're linking their data to the ongoing pandemic and confinement measures that were imposed.
We saw women who were denied access to resources, who did not have access to resources at that time because they were stuck with their aggressor all the time in their house.
Data from the study was compiled from over 10,000 women from 2020 to 2021, shining a light on not only physical violence, but also psychological and verbal abuse.
We were able not only to focus on the fact that your partner may hurt you, but also threaten you or insult or scream at you several times.
We definitely noticed the calls more than doubling. So nationally, our calls went from maybe 200 a month to more than 400 a month.
Yasmin, the program director at Nissa Homes, a community organization that provides transitional homes for women and children fleeing intimate partner violence and homelessness across Canada, says she saw the impact of COVID-19 on women.
A lot of the women were afraid to come to a shelter, were afraid to come to somewhere that's communal living, where they would be exposing themselves and their children to anything potentially.
With the rise in femicides in Quebec in 2021 and the continuation of multiple cases in 2022, Genero says that's just the tip of the iceberg.
So according to our study, we can estimate that for each femicide here in Quebec, we can expect as much as 16,000 women who report signs of domestic violence.
Adding that intimate partner violence should be treated as a public health concern, one leading to problems of mental health and suicide.
Many of the clients that call us have severe mental health issues. They have suicide thoughts. They've maybe they've attempted suicide. Most of these women would not have these issues outside of the abuse.
The amount of women facing violence in the home does not show signs of decreasing.
Once the abuse is being in a relationship, it's being present in a relationship, it did not simply go away.
It's getting more and more difficult for women living with domestic violence to escape from it by, just finding a new housing.
In Montreal, Felisha Adam, City News.
If you need help, reach out. Call SOS Violence Conjugale 24/7 at 1-800-363-9010. If you fear you may become violent towards your partner, call ProGam for an appointment at 514-270-8462.